Apple unboxing the iPhone 15.
Rich Jamuro was there for the big unveiling. He goes hands-on with the new features in today's TechSmart.
Apple unveiled new iPhone 15 models at an event here in Cupertino, and the top-of-the-line devices come in this new titanium finish. But perhaps some of the biggest changes is how you charge this new device. Gone is the Lightning connector. In its place is USB-C. For the first time ever, it's one cable to rule them all. Apple swapping out the Lightning port on iPhone 15 in favor of USB-C, a standard connection for gadgets around the world.
Good morning. Welcome to Apple Park.
At an event at Apple's Cupertino headquarters, the company unveiled new products, including Apple Watch Series 9 and Apple Watch Ultra 2. Here's the newest color for Apple Watch 9, pink. Watches get a new double tap gesture. Tap your fingers together to activate. You can use this new double tap functionality to pretty much virtually select the main button on the screen, whether that's to start a stopwatch or check out your calendar. This year's entry-level iPhone 15 models get last year's Pro features, including the Dynamic Island and a 48-megapixel main camera. iPhone 15 comes in 5 colors, including pink, starting at $800. Major improvements reserved for the iPhone 15 Pro models. They get a faster chip and a titanium frame, making them noticeably lighter. The top-of-the-line iPhone 15 Pro Max gets 5 times optical zoom. Here's a big change on the new iPhone 15 Pro models. This slider that used to switch between ringer and silent is now what's called an action button, and you can program it to do up to 9 different things, including shortcuts. Colors include black, white, blue, and natural. The Pro models start at $999. All iPhone 15 models can now call for emergency roadside assistance through AAA over satellite for help in areas without a cell signal. Apple says no more leather in any of their products, and this is the replacement. A material called fine woven. It's mostly recycled. The company making a big push towards being carbon neutral with recycled materials, smaller boxes, and reducing plastic. The new iPhone 15 models are available for pre-order on September 15th, and they're in stores on September 22nd. Keep in mind you will get a new USB-C cable in the box, but you might need a new wall adapter if yours isn't compatible. In Cupertino, I'm Rich DeMuro, and you are TechSmart.